Let's be honest, you feel buried. Your mind is racing, your to-do list is never ending, and no matter how much you do, it feels like you're always behind. Overwhelmed isn't just a feeling anymore. It's become your normal. But here's the truth. You're not drowning because you have too much to do. You're drowning because you've forgotten who's in charge of your life. Take Elon Musk, for example. Whether you agree with him or not, one thing is clear. He balances Tesla, SpaceX, and more, all while facing insane pressure. Do you think he avoids overwhelm by magically having more hours in a day? No. He chooses focus. He does what matters and lets the noise fall away. That's what you're missing. Businesses like Apple didn't change the world by chasing everything. They changed it by focusing on one simple idea at a time. Simplicity creates clarity. Clarity creates power. When you feel overwhelmed, what you really need isn't more time. It's more honesty. You've got to stop saying yes to everything. Stop trying to please everyone and start admitting what actually matters. Because overwhelm is often just the weight of lies you've told yourself. I can do it all. I can be everything. I don't need rest. Wrong. You do. Here's the tough love. Your life will never calm down until you do. You don't need perfect balance, you need discipline. You need the courage to cut out the junk, to simplify, and to give your best to what actually matters. So if you're tired of being overwhelmed, stop waiting for peace to show up on its own. Create it. Take control. Protect your focus like your future depends on it, because it does. Comment. Focus. Subscribe if you're ready to stop being overwhelmed and start taking back control of your life.